What's going on, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Really appreciate you stopping by today. Today is a day that I've been looking forward to for quite a while, and I'm so glad that I get to share it with you guys, because today is the day that I go put a down payment on a brand new bike. And I'm so stoked, and I can't wait to tell everybody what it is. I'm headed downtown right now, going to pick up my buddy GhostNinjaSD, probably one of the nicest guys around, and he's got a Daytona. For the last few months, I've had the idea that maybe it's time to get a new bike. The R1 is fantastic, she's doing great, but right now she's got almost 24,000 miles, and even though I'm pretty sure she'd last, you know, maybe another 25 or 30,000, I rely on this bike so much as a daily transport and fun and everything else in between, but the miles really rack up fast. Oh shit, what's going on there? It's a house. I was trying to find something that I could replace the R1 with, but to be honest, there's nothing out there that I could find that I felt could take the R1's place. This bike is just way too awesome. But when I made the decision that maybe I would keep the R1, now there are tons of doors open. I did go with a Honda CBR 1000RR. I like Hondas. My first bike was a Honda, and they'll always have a special place in my heart. But I'm just not feeling the Honda 1000s. So I didn't go with Honda. I'm not going to buy a Gixxer. That's just not happening. I've owned Suzuki's before, but I am just not a fan of the Gixxer 1000s. I didn't go with an exotic like Aprilia or Ducati, even though they're awesome bikes, and I really think I'd enjoy riding them. I don't know if I'd enjoy owning them. Then I looked at Kawasaki. The new ZX-10R. It looks pretty badass, but again, I feel like it's just way too similar to what I already have. And I'm looking for something to really excite me, and I didn't think that was going to do it. Then there's the BMW, the S1000RR. If you'd asked me a few years ago if I would ever considered buying one, I would have been like, fuck no. There's something about that weird Forrest Whitaker face. I just can't get over how it's just not even. You know, like one side's all nice and pretty and the other side's fucking super droopy and crazy looking. I just want it to match. I want it to be symmetrical, damn it. But that's not what we're getting today. Ha! What is this guy doing? Hey, what's up, man? I see you. That guy's mean mugging the fuck out of you.
What the fuck are you looking at?
Huh? Oh, So we're headed to Fun Bike Center right now in San Diego to see what these guys can do for me. I've been talking to a guy there for a couple months, and today is the day that we plan to do this. So we're gonna see if we can come to some kind of deal. Hopefully everything works out. Alright guys, we're here. Let's go do this thing. Are you? Oh, ooh. What are you digging your ass? What are you digging? Alright guys, the deed is done. So as soon as the order period opens up, whenever that might be, my order will get slid in, slide into the order. And then we'll just find out how long it's gonna take to get here. Woo! Get it, H2, bitch!